How to track objects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color page where all the tracking tools are located. Select the clip you want to track from the timeline below. Next, click on the Window tab and choose the Shape tool that best fits the object you want to track, such as a circle or a square. Draw the shape around the object precisely to ensure accurate tracking. After that, go to the Tracker panel right next to the Window tab. Here you will find tracking controls. Click on the play button or the track forward option to start the tracking process. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the movement of your selected object frame by frame. Once the tracking is complete, check the track to make sure it follows the object smoothly. If the track slips or loses the object, you can manually adjust the shape or add tracking keyframes to correct it. And that's it. Now you know how to track objects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.